And in this particular video, we're gonna talk about the importance of verifying the domain and at the same time doing the verification. Hi, this is Babelyn from BabelynMalate.com. I make videos that can help your business go online. So if you haven't watched any of my videos and this is the first time that you're watching my video, I do have a lot of tutorials that will help you with ManyChat, Facebook ads, and GetResponse. So feel free to check my channel on YouTube. For this case, I do have a domain from GoDaddy, and I have it directed to my landing page in GetResponse. And I would have to verify that domain now because I'm gonna run my Facebook ads. So if you have these three set up, then you can definitely follow this tutorial and I hope it would help you. Alright, so here's our tutorial. This is the Facebook page that I'm gonna use for my ads, and let's go to my GetResponse. I directed my domain here in GetResponse, but basically that domain is from GoDaddy. So in order to find the section where you have to paste the domain from your Facebook, you have to go here, click this, and go to Manage Account. And then here you'll find landing page domains, and you will see all of your domains and subdomains here. So if you can see it here, I have my main domain and I have some subdomains here with a privacy policy, terms and conditions. So these are all landing pages. So we need to go back to the Meta Business Suite. So here, make sure that you have the right Facebook page and go to Settings, and then under Settings, let's just go to More Business Settings, and then here you will find Brand Safety and click Domains. So if you can see, I've already added my domain. It's already verified. But if not, if this first time that you're going to add your domain, just click Add here and then type that domain. This is just an example of a domain name. And then just click Add. So you can see it's already added here, and it will give you these options to how to verify your domain. You would have to select here, and so we're using this with GetResponse. I have the meta tag here. This is the option that I'm using, meta tag, and you just point your cursor here, copy to clipboard. Now it's copied already, and go back to your GetResponse. Click these three buttons on the right and click Edit Facebook Meta Tag. So you will find this section. You would have to just paste it here and add meta tag, and then you're all set here. So you would have to go back to your business settings and simply click this button, Verify Domain. Once you've done that, it will automatically verify your domain. That was just very easy because it took like a minute or two, but sometimes you would have to wait for a day or so. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you. If there's something that you wanted to see on my channel, please let me know right there in the comment section.